If you don't have FitBeast, you're not fit. FitBeast. Make you strong. Yes, FitBeast. Well. I squeeze things in, I squeeze things out, I squish things in, I squeeze them out. Manual. Good. Oh, ooh, yes. Squishy ball. Me man, me squish. Yes. Oh, look. Ball fit in hole. Nice. Oh, nice counter. Push, turn, reset. Push, turn, weird. Push, turn, reset. Oh, there we go. Adjust. Pound. Oh, yes. Watch, move. Spring, move. Harder. We go max. 132 pounds. Yes. Oh, yes. We go max. We man. We max. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Max, man. Bull strength. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, that's a good workout. That's a good workout. Yes. Oh. What? What? Finger. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 finger. Go back. Go back. Me extra strong. Right, oh.